Alrighty, folks. Got our shirts soaking in our soda ash. Been in there for about 20-30 minutes, so we are about to twist them up, throw some color on them. Got a couple different plans in mind. We have a rainbow, or a multiple bullseye medium, a multiple bullseye medium, and a spiral small, I guess, probably, I don't know. Yeah. Something like that. We've got one we're rinsing out over there. It's dyeing day. Got an experiment cooking on the kitchen stove with some color remover. Multiple bullseye medium. So what's the game plan here? Talk good and loud. I can't hear you.
I mean, make multiple bullseyes. I don't know
What do you have to do that?
Pinch it and then just start banding sections down it. I guess maybe 3 for each one.
3 for each little bullseye.
Yeah, the more rubber bands you put on there, the bigger the bullseye will end up being.
Right. And I guess that gives you more windows for color too, because you normally put a color in each window, I've noticed.
Which you don't have to do. Just makes it easier visually.
Easier to keep track of.
Right.
Yeah. We'll check it after we get done banding this one. Multiple bullseye. Opposing bullseye tie-dye.
And one more. Let's see.
What to do with the rest?
For the rest, I'll probably just scrunch it up and
Scrunch the rest, band it in.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
Just band that together.
We have a castle. Band it up. Lots of bands.
Okay.
Looks like a weird castle. You got your moat going around the outside. A castle and moat tie-dye.
I guess I could put another tie-dye or another band around
the bottom.
Okay.
Looks good.
There you go.
Time to throw some color on it. what's in store for today.
I guess hot pink. And deep orange. So,
What all we got?
hot pink, deep orange, lemon yellow, lime pop, sky blue, and lavender.
Oh wow, that's
the
quite a selection there. Just kicking it off with the hot pink, I see.
And going to deep orange, which this had these, what is it, super clear in it.
That's right, deep orange with super clear. Moving on over to the lemon yellow.
Yes, lemon yellow next. And so far, so good.
Lime pop.
Lime pop, exactly.
Looks like a tie-dyed crab claw. Tie-dyed crab claw.
And then some sky blue, which we don't use too much.
I don't know, we haven't used sky blue in a minute. And some lavender. It is lavender, right?
Yeah, it's fogging up too.
We got the pin in the window if you want to use that. Good old lavender.
Okay. And then the bottom,
What are we going to do the scrunch in?
I think we'll do that in hot pink and lemon yellow.
Oh, hot pink and lemon yellow. Good combo. Flip. More lemon yellow. A little more hot pink. Got hot pink tips on the crab claw.
Hot pink crab claw tips.
Yep.
Okay, and then our deep orange was next.
Deep orange with the super clear.
Yes.
And then a little more lemon yellow. A little pop of lime pop. A little color shower.
Sky blue.
Sky blue. Good soakage of sky blue. Get a little bit more on that one right there. Transition. Yeah, perfect. And then some lavender. Got more lavender on the way too. Alrighty, folks. We'll transfer to the extended stay, you need your top, your lid thing, remember? She's a dripper. It's a dripping crab claw. Okay. To the extended stay we go. Second shelf, bottom shelf. Bottom shelf crab claw, where it'll sit for 24 hours. Where we'll be back to wash it out. So that'll be all. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.